Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Boom. Cringe. Now for today's video, boys, we are actually going to be driving down about like 15 to 20 miles. We're going to be going to the Chippy. We're going to be going and getting some chips with curry sauce. Woo! Damn! I'm excited. So without further ado, let's get going because your boy's hungry. Whee! Boy, it hasn't been too long since my last actually drive with me, you know, but yeah, I'm back. I'm quite glad to be back. So, boys, today was the first day I had to de-ice my car. The ice was not thick on my car, like a booty, and like I had to de-ice it. Yeah, winter's coming, boys. I absolutely hate it. It's disgusting. So yeah, we're gonna be going to this little village that I actually used to go school to, high school. We're gonna be going there and getting some chips because every day in sixth form I used to go get chips from this place, and literally I'd spend all my like lunch money that my mum gives me on chips. Indicate then, you fucking wanny wag. Downshift, downshift, 2 downshifts, and then boom. Okay, so along with winter and all that stuff, we have Christmas coming up, boys. I want to know if you guys are excited because I'm not really. Maybe before one of my driving meets I should like dress up as Santa and go give out presents or something, I don't know. Could be like KFC, I could give out free KFC box meals. Woo! That'd be the best. I have absolutely found some bangers. No joke. If you listen to what I listen to, you guys, you might love it. Now again, for copyright, I'm only allowed to play a certain amount of seconds of it, so enjoy it while it lasts.
One day I'm gonna be the one she run to. Oh Lord, he made me want to do the one to.
Big tractor here. Fuck me. Can a tractor get any more bigger than this? It looks like an alien. It's got 2 holes at the top. This is a little road. It is actually quite a little road. That overlooks like, it's like on a mountain, mate. For where I live, it's like a mountain. So like you got to be really careful here, or else you're gonna like go 500 foot off the edge of Mount Everest, basically. Right, over these trees is literally just a drop. Oh, that looks like ice. Oh, 14% gradient. Leave it in second gear and just roll. Well, listen to it sounds like it's about to blow up. Fuck's sake, another tractor. Where are these fucking tractors coming from? This song is an absolute tranger, honestly. Listen. Oh my god. These roads are a lot more tight than I thought. Jeez. This is the road I took when I was learning to drive. Because I got picked up from school. Drive to like town where I just came from. It's a long drive to town from here. I mean, it's like half an hour or something. Go up here. Right about here. Woo! Alright, see you in a minute. Hallelujah! Hallelujah. Right, we've got the chips now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go pull in somewhere and eat these chips because, yeah. That cost me £2. That's quite good. I have a fear of cyclists now. Just knocking cyclists off. So if I see a cyclist, they're going in front of me. No. I just want to eat my chips, mate. Thank you. I love roundabouts. Oh, that sounds so good!
I'm from Boston. It's kind of jarring. I cannot remember why I'm laughing.
Another fucking cyclist. My school is ages away from our house. I feel like I'll be driving for hours. Right, we'll pull into this little lane right here. Honestly, you gotta get curry sauce with chips, with these kind of chips. Look at that. Look at these chips, man. To some, it might look like vomit, but that is beautiful. I'm a Sainsbury's van pulled up behind me. I'll offer him a chip if he comes. Look at them, they're actually so tasty. One thing though is, it does give you the farts. No joke on that. If you eat all this curry sauce, you'll be shitting all night. The family who runs it is Indian, I'm guessing. That's racist. God damn, do they do a good curry sauce. I never really used to understand people who got curry sauce, but now I do. I don't think I pointed out to you where it was, but it was that one. Yeah, honestly, look at that. Beautiful. I also have some Lucozade. This is my favourite Lucozade right now. My girlfriend actually showed me this. I like the orange one before, but this one is absolutely banging. It is raspberry Lucozade. If you have a chance, go try this. I didn't like it for the first few tries. Would never go back now. The chips, there's still a few left, but I'm gonna eat them when I get back because it's a bit too hot right now to eat them. My mouth is literally tingling. How good that is, like, but that is just beautifully designed. That chip is just perfectly made. Each one is made with love. I wouldn't be surprised if he kisses everyone. That's kind of gross. Oh, fuck's sake.
Use no beef, girl, give me that slop top. I skirt around town in a drop top. I like fast cars, don't stop.
Jeez, he's in a rush, he is. Forgot to put the Yorkshire puddings on.
Every time we fight, got me thinking that you down.
I feel like I've been driving all day. And it's 20 minutes to get to that town, to that little village, and 15 minutes to get back probably. But honestly, I'm sick of driving right now. After we eat, it feels like I'm having a food baby. I'm just so drained. By the end of every single drive with me, I'm just like, huh? What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go inside and I'll finish this video inside while I'm eating my chips. Okay, we have got the lovely chips right here. Genuinely, would you rate that out of 10? Probably a 10 for me. You know what I've noticed? I've noticed that BBC on Netflix, right? Like BBC shows, if you watch Netflix, BBC shows are really good. Genuinely, Happy Valley, and also there's a new one, Dr. Foster. That's really good. Unfortunately, that is the end of the drive with me. I'm a bit weird ending this in my room. That is unfortunately the end of the video. We got some banging chips. Curry sauce, baby, you should get that in your life because that will bless you. But yeah, guys, unfortunately that is the end of this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you are new, hit the subscribe button if you did enjoy. If you didn't, don't. Like the video if you did like it. Dislike it if you didn't, and comment why. Follow me on Instagram at @OtherStuff. And yeah, that's about it. If you did get to see in this video, then comment must be, and I'll subscribe to the first 2 people. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and I'll see your faces in my next video. Wow.